So hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and this time we're gonna change the display on Nokia Lumia. So the first thing I want you to do is to take off the back cover of your Nokia, and inside you have, I think, 4 screws. I took them away after you take off the back cover, like I did. 4 screws, the plastic just pops out like this. Next thing I want you to do is to disconnect the connector from your display and take off the motherboard. Yeah, it's so easy. Here I have my new display that I ordered from AliExpress. There's our motherboard. We're gonna take our display contact back and we're all good to go. It's very simple to change the display of your Nokia Lumia. Here's the battery. Let's see. Oh, here. Okay. Hey, it's functioning. Change your language. Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye to you too. Welcome back. Thank you. Let's start. Next. Turn off use.
Thank you guys for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.